Hello.
Hello.
So listen, this is our thing today. We've been doing all 4 compass points of London.
Yes.
So we went west first. We went to Brondesbury Park. We've been trying, kind of under the guise of finding some Art Deco architecture to have a look at. And there's loads of Art Deco around London. It's great. And anyway, start from the beginning. We both thought, I didn't think I fancied working today, and Sonny didn't fancy homeschooling again because he's sick of the sight of his own 4 walls. True say? So we sacked them both off, and we've come out in the car, and we're just going to do all 4 compass points and you know, recklessly spread the coronavirus all around London and kill loads of people that we've never met before. Yeah. But you know, hopefully that won't happen. And anyway, so we went to West London, found this really nice park with an aviary and some bald birds and stuff like that. And now we've come to North London, and look, this is crazy what we found here.
We found a cigarette factory.
Look, it's a cigarette factory. We only know that because we've just looked it up, but it's nuts. I can't get too close to it because I can't park my car anywhere, right? But look, it's wicked.
It's got like cats and stuff.
It's got like cats and stuff, yeah. We try and get a bit closer and show you some more. But so anyway, next stop, we just went past Trellick Tower in West London, which is a bit brutalist. So now we're going to swap from Art Deco to brutalist.
Show them those ones.
Hang on. Yeah, so we're going to swap from Art Deco to brutalist. And what's up? What are you going to say?
Dozens.
Oh right, okay. So these, just hang on. Look at these. Just massive tower blocks, but in between the massive tower blocks, if you come here,
they're all like colours and stuff.
you can see the BT tower. Just there. Yeah, look.
Oh, yeah.
That's it there. Which to me looks like a lightsaber upside down. Anyway, so we're off to East London now, where there is another tower, or Trellick Tower's sister, in East London somewhere. So we're going to go to that and stop off and have a good nose around there.
Yeah.
So say goodbye.
Bye.
Hopefully none of your teachers are watching this.